Hi there, and welcome to another episode of the Ultimate Mompreneur Show. And this week we are talking all about how you can see your challenges as opportunities. Are you ready to get into it? Then let's go. I always love to say every challenge has a solution. And I've come to learn that challenges are truly opportunities. Opportunities to grow and learn, to strengthen ourselves, to test ourselves, and to test our faith. Challenges reveal how badly we want to create our dreams that we have in our hearts, and they reveal how hard we are willing to work for them. And this is such a blessing. It may not seem that way at first, but with a tiny shift in attitude, we can see that we have been handed an incredible opportunity. Now, I've had my fair share of challenges that spanned over 7 years. And what I've learned is that it's not so important to have all of the answers right now. When you have a challenge that comes up before you, one that rears its ugly head, when you say to yourself, oh my gosh, I am not going to get over this one. You may not know how to get around it or even through it. Things may seem hopeless at first. Challenges can seem so overwhelming when you don't have a solution. But when you really think about it, life itself is very much like that too. Sometimes life is akin to bumping around in a dark room. And when you are trying to find that light switch, it is possible to get through the room without finding the light switch immediately. You just need to step slowly and carefully. Moment to moment, you will find your way. So rather than giving up when obstacles appear in your path, look at them as welcome challenges. The biggest challenge you would have is choosing your own attitude. Will you get frustrated and angry, or will you get excited and determined? Will you lay down and cry, or will you roll up your sleeves and get to work? Sometimes we take on a victim mentality when challenges arise. We say to ourselves, oh my, why me? Why do I have to go through this? This kind of thing always happens to me. And I can see why that happens. Sometimes it feels as though the universe is picking on you. I think we've all been there. I know I've had my fair share. But what I realized is that when I took the time to really figure out why this challenge presented itself, most times indeed it was because of my own doing. So I had to learn to change the ways that I made decisions. I didn't make decisions as quickly as I would have before, or if anything seems rushed and causes me to feel flustered, then a few weeks or a few months after, a challenge stemming from that may arise. So remember what I said, every challenge has an opportunity. Take the time to sit and think about the ways that you can get over that challenge. And believe me, there is a solution lurking somewhere. Get the right advice, meditate and pray on that challenge. And sooner or later, the solution will come to you. And I pray it's sooner rather than later for you. So thank you for taking the time to watch this week's show. We spoke all about how you can see challenges as opportunities and what you can do to overcome them so that you can live a happier life. Thank you for tuning in and have an amazing week ahead. Be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about this week's show and how you are going to find the opportunity through any present challenge. Have an amazing day. Bye.